Hi all, I'm Patrice Farrell and I'm the Talent Acquisition Director at AbbVie. We are delighted to be attending the Recruit.ie Manufacturing and Engineering Virtual Career Fair on Thursday the 7th of April. This is a free event and the benefits of going virtual means you can log in from anywhere in Ireland and find your ideal career opportunity. At AbbVie, we aim to create an innovative and inclusive workplace culture, and these efforts have been seen at our Cork, Dublin, Mayo and Sligo sites recently as we've been recognised as a great place to work. We deliver life-improving, high-quality therapies for patients around the world, so we aim to attract the best people. When we find them, we make it our business to treat them well. Register today for free for the Recruit.ie Manufacturing and Engineering Virtual Career Fair. Create your profile, upload your CV on careers.abbvie.com and apply for your ideal career. We look forward to meeting you all virtually on Thursday the 7th of April.